Wow, wow, wow. Yes. My name is Jenny Cortez. I'm the Business Development Manager for Premium Digital Control and Automation, and I'm very excited to be here. Today we are in the new Ritz-Carlton residences in beautiful Miami Beach. Very excited for our team to get started. We are definitely planning a very bespoke solution here, from interior shades, all of our automated interior lighting, from smart technologies to outdoor living. This is going to be a bespoke solution, and yes. So it is sunny, it is beautiful. Look at catch the breeze. Entertainment galore, right? So here at Premium, we're very excited to get started, create the oasis of their dreams at this outdoor area. Some history here. We are sitting in actually a location where it used to be the Miami Heart Institute of Miami Beach in South Beach, and it is now the Ritz-Carlton residences. All right, so here we are in the pool deck area of this beautiful penthouse unit at the Ritz-Carlton residences in Miami Beach. And if you take a look, there's so much area for entertainment here, right? So we have the pool, the jacuzzi, the breeze. I mean, what are we gonna do here, guys? So the Premium team is very excited to get started in this outdoor pool area. And yes, stay in touch.